Are you feeling it standing here right now?
Just a pull.
Pull.
Going into my shoulder.
0 to 10.
Right now, I would say like a 4, and then but when I'm in the car, like
Yeah.
driving today, could really feel the pull.
Denise has spent the majority of her life dealing with chronic pain. For decades, she's had headaches, neck and shoulder pain, and she's seen doctors, done scans, treatments, and nothing ever lasted. When she first came into Barefoot Rehab, she would tell you her pain was a 9 out of 10. Today, it's nowhere near that. In this session, you're gonna see how we treat the real source of pain and how change can begin almost immediately.
So we're just gonna tuck the chin all the way in. Nice. What do you feel? Sorry, Greg.
Here, just a pull. A little in the front.
In the front? Like
A
the
little
throat?
here.
Okay.
And very little on the sides. Not that much.
0 to 10 in the throat.
2.
And what is the sensation? Like tightness?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's got degeneration all over her neck and her shoulders. So she came in with a lot of headaches and this stuff in her neck. This stuff in her neck was shooting to the head because all of this was compensating. So she's doing much better, and we just continue to maintain her. Neurovascular sleeve omohyoid. There's a little muscle here that comes from the hyoid bone. There's a little piece of connective tissue, and then it goes backwards, and the nerves come out that way and they go underneath it like that. So I was just pushing this back as we were pulling the nerves through with the arm. And usually we do the nerve roots from the top, moving the head. So I'm bringing her shoulder down because it just pre-tensions the nerve, and then Kate is pulling the nerves through as I pin the inferior side or the underneath side of the nerve against the anterior scalene where it comes out of the hole, the foramen. Good. Good. Go ahead, external rotate first. Yep. And I'll bring the arm flex straight. Yep. Good. Bend your head to the right side. NBS at all low. Moderate. What do you feel?
Much looser, but sore.
Okay. How about the other side?
Not as sore.
C4 spinal accessory nerve. Moderate to severe. C5, C6 posterior intertransverse, PIT. C6 AIT.
Thank you. I'll see you soon.
Bend your head to this side. Is that tension gone?
Yeah, much better.